Unraveling the Phrase Bite in the Quiet, an English learning journey. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're diving into a fascinating and less commonly used English phrase, bite in the quiet. This phrase might sound a bit unusual, but by the end of this video, you'll understand its meaning and how to use it effectively in your conversations. Let's embark on this linguistic adventure together. Bite in the quiet is not a standard idiom in English and might not be found in typical phrasebooks. However, understanding and interpreting unique phrases like this is an essential skill in language learning. The phrase suggests a situation where there is a sudden, perhaps unexpected, action or event during a period of calm or silence. Think of it as something happening abruptly when least expected. Let's dissect the phrase, bite. This word often signifies a quick or sudden action. In idioms, it can imply aggression or a swift response. In that, this indicates a specific setting or circumstance. Quiet denotes a period of silence or calmness. When combined, these elements paint a picture of a swift action occurring in a moment of calmness or silence. How can you use bite in the quiet in everyday conversation? Here are some examples. 1. Just when we thought the meeting was going smoothly, John's comment was like a bite in the quiet, causing everyone to argue. 2. The sudden thunder during the serene night felt like a bite in the quiet. These examples show how the phrase can be used to describe a surprising action or event in a peaceful situation. Bite in the quiet is a unique and vivid phrase that can add flavor to your English conversations. It illustrates the beauty of language and how words can be combined to create powerful imagery. We hope this video has been enlightening and adds a new phrase to your English vocabulary. Keep exploring and enjoying the journey of language learning.